Good morning to all. Welcome to General Knowledge class. This video for class 3, lesson 22, Great Sport Personalities. Introduction. A sports person can be a man or a woman who is a person trained to compete or interested in a sport involving physical strength, speed, or endurance. A sportsman is a player in a sport, but the term also means someone who plays sport in a way that shows respect and fairness towards the opposing player or team. Indian sportsmen and women have made a mark for themselves at international and national level in many games and sports. Children, this lesson we are going to discuss today. Here are given some great sports personalities. Let's identify them and write their names with the help of help box. In the help box, Dhyan Chand, Jeev Milkha Singh, Viswanathan Anand, Abhinav Bindra, Sushil Kumar, Sunil Gavaskar, Prakash Padukone, Geet Sriram Sethi, Ramesh Krishnan. First great sport person, Jeev Milkha Singh. Jeev Milkha Singh born 15 December 1971. He is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour in 1998. He has won 4 events on the European Tour, becoming the most successful Indian on tour. He was the first Indian golfer to break into the top 100 of the official world golf ranking in October 2006. The Government of India awarded him the civilian honor of Padma Shri in 2007. Children, this slide you can see the picture of Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar is an Indian Olympic wrestler. He carried the Indian flag at the opening ceremony of 2012 London Olympics. His 2008 Olympic medal was second for Indian in wrestling. At the 2010 World Wrestling Championships, Kumar became the first Indian to win a world title in wrestling. At the 2012 London Olympics, Sushil Kumar won a silver medal. In 2009, he was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Third one, Geet Sriram Sethi. Geet Sriram Sethi of India is a professional player of English billiards. He dominated the game in the decade of 1990s and a notable amateur snooker player. He is a 6-time winner of the professional level and a 3-time winner of the amateur world championships and hold of 2 world records in English billiards. Fourth one, Children, do you know who is in this picture? He is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is an Indian businessman and retired sports shooter. He is currently India's only individual Olympic gold medalist. His gold in the 10-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Summer Olympics was also India's first Olympic gold medal since 1980. Fifth one, Sunil Gavaskar. His full name Sunil Manohar Gavaskar, by names Sunny and the Little Master. Sunil Gavaskar is an Indian cricket commentator and former cricketer representing India and Bombay from the early 1970s to the late 1980s. Widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen and one of the best opening batsmen in Test cricket history. Sixth one, Viswanathan Anand. Viswanathan Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. He is one of the few players to have surpassed an ELO rating of 2800, a feat he first achieved in 2006. Anand is a 5-time world chess champion. Seventh one, Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player, widely regarded as one of the greatest in the history of the sport. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats, in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, and 1936. Ramesh Krishnan. Ramesh Krishnan is a tennis coach, former professional tennis player from India. As a junior player in the late 1970s, he won the singles titles at both Wimbledon and the French Open. He became India's Davis Cup captain in 2007. Last one, Prakash Padukone. Prakash Padukone is a former Indian badminton player. He was ranked world number 1 in 1980. The same year, he became the first Indian to win the All England Open Badminton Championships. He was awarded the Arjuna Award in 1972 and Padma Shri in 1982 by the Government of India. Let's revise. Who is Jeev Milkha Singh? Jeev Milkha Singh is an Indian golfer. Second one, who is Sushil Kumar? Sushil Kumar is an Indian wrestler. Third one, who is Sriram Sethi? Sriram Sethi is a professional player of English billiards. Fourth one, Who is Abhinav Bindra? Abhinav Bindra is a Olympic athlete. Fifth one. Who is Sunil Gavaskar? Sunil Gavaskar is an Indian cricketer. Sixth one. Who is Viswanathan Anand? Viswanathan Anand is Indian chess grandmaster. Seventh one. Who was Dhyan Chand? Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player. Eighth one. Who is Ramesh Krishnan? Ramesh Krishnan is a tennis coach and former professional tennis player from India. Ninth one. Who is Prakash Padukone? Prakash Padukone is an Indian badminton player. Thank you.